VLOOKUP Excel formula example. VLOOKUP from multiple sheet in Excel. VLOOKUP Excel function tutorial for change variable method with the help of indirect formula. Here you can see all the data came from multiple sheet with the help of VLOOKUP formula. In this tutorial you will learn about Excel VLOOKUP from basic to advanced level. In the basic level VLOOKUP formula, you will able to get the data from selected item from the same sheet. Here you can see unit cost and total cost are appear for the selected item. In this tutorial you will also know about the advanced level Excel VLOOKUP formula for change variable method with the help of indirect formula, which will explain properly. Before starting the video, I request you to please like and subscribe our channel, like this video. So let's start the video. Item list is already created, so we can copy and paste the data from the item list to and as well as cost already given in the item list. So let's get the random units for the each item. So let's apply a random formula for it to get random units for each sheet. So please like this video. For total cost we need to multiply unit and unit cost, so we get the total cost here. Just remove some item to make it unique, each sheet different from each other. So we have all sheets are ready in which we have item, unit, cost and total cost from Jan to June, and we have compile sheet where we'll do apply lookup formula. First we apply basic formula. Before that we have to apply validation here to get the validation list of item. So item list is ready. VLOOKUP formula item lookup value is H5 and table array is from A5 to D23. Column index number is 1 to get just to show you this working, and column index number we will use here as 2 to get the units. So column index number is 2 to get the units for each item. For the selected item, once we change it, so unit will be changed. So you can see it, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra has 10 units and iPhone 11 Pro Max has 11 units. Unit cost VLOOKUP value is same as 5. Table array is same A5 to A21, we can take it, and column index number now is 3. 1 item, 2 unit, and third is unit cost, and false to get the exact number. So here you can see now total cost, VLOOKUP value, table array as same, column index number is now 4, 1 2 3 4, and the exact match for 0. So you can see all the formulas are working properly. 10 unit 1332.71, just changing the range so once we copy it, so it will work for all the sheets. Just copy and paste in all sheet to get the data for all the sheets for selected items. So it's done. So once we paste it, it will be work in all sheets. And if we change the item name, so it will work accordingly. As you can see, it's working in all the sheets. So this is a simple formula. Once so we are working on an addition sheet where we will look up all the sheets values on one sheet. Table array from Jan, because we are working on a Jan sheet. So table array is A52 T20 and column index number is 2 because we are going to get unit. So you can see the number is correct. Unit is 10 in Jan for Samsung Galaxy 20 Ultra. Now you can fix the range, so it will, once we drag it, so it will work properly. Here you can see it's working for each item, but you can see here are some errors. So for removing the errors, we need to apply if error formula, and we need to drag it again. Please like this video and subscribe also. We are making many videos for Excel training. Once we drag it on right side, so we need to change the we need to fix the item so it will work, but we need to change the column index number as well to get unit cost and total cost. For unit cost it will be 3 and for total cost it will be 4. I hope you like this video. So here you can see all the items is appeared according to the requirement. Once we drag it, 4, total cost is 4 and unit cost is 3. So once we drag it, it will be working properly. Here you can see the number are accordingly. So Jan is almost done. The same formulas we need to apply in Feb. I have created another video. Please subscribe this channel now. I will tell you the importance of that video. That will be help you a lot. For Fab we look up formula. The lookup value is same A5 and we have fixed it. Range is you can see A52 D27 and column index numbers 2 and for exact match we apply 0 here. Once we enter it, so it will be show, oh sorry, if error formula is not completed, so we need to fix the error formula. So after that it will be work bracket and yes, got it. So in Fab we have 5 unit of Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now we have to change the column index number to get the unit cost and for the total cost. We can do it another way. You can see in the March how we how I'm going to apply it. For the March we can change just Feb to March. So once we write March, it will give us the March value for unit cost as well and the total cost as well. So it's a very important video. If you want to watch, so I will share the link in the end of the video. That was for the VLOOKUP formula for multiple sheet, but that's a different way we have applied that formula, and that very easy but very useful that formula. So I recommend you to watch that video also. I will give you a link in the end of the video. But after this formula, so here you can see we got the numbers here for the March, and you can apply for the April as well. So I have applied for April, May, June as well to make it short. So you can drag it to got the values for them or copy paste. So I have pasted it here and you can see all the data come up here. I will show you a short clip of that video to understand what's an important thing in that video. So keep watching. Now this is a very important thing, the change variable method. Here we apply indirect formula. Indirect formula change the text and consider that text as a formula narration. So I will show, before that I have to calculate the total cost for each month. to get the total cost of 6 months. So just sum up all the total cost to get the total cost of 6 months. So it's done. We just need to copy paste top to bottom. And the change variable method is very important. Once you understand it, it will be really helpful for you for your work. So I have just take the reference of a Jan sheet, and once we apply, I am going to apply indirect formula, so it's giving me a reference error. So once I am going to convert it in a text format, so it's showing the TAN number and reading the text as the narration or the cell address as mentioned in above M1. So with the help of indirect formula, I'm going to apply VLOOKUP formula here. So once we change the month above in the selected option, so it will give us the data for that month. So instead of Jan, I gave the address of E3, and then just need to complete the formula, one more bracket. And now I have to apply VLOOKUP formula to ignore the errors for that. So here we get 10. Now I have to fix the E3, so I can drag it and or copy paste top to bottom to get the data for the Jan, as I have selected here Jan. Once I change it, so you can see I'm going to get data for that month, for the selected month. Same formula will be applied for the unit cost, and just need to change the Jan position as an indirect formula and E3 range fixed, and I need to apply bracket and end as well. So I hope you understand. Please don't forget to like and subscribe this video. I hope you will learn a lot from upcoming videos as well. Sometimes I make quick videos, short videos, sometimes I make brief videos for your understanding. So it's a mix and match. Replacing Jan as indirect formula for E3, so it will give us the required number for the selected month. Here we are going to get the total cost of March. So once we change it, so it will show the selected month data. As you can see, for Jan data is exactly same. For June, here you can see data is exactly same. I really recommend you to watch this video. In this video you can get the data with the single formula by dragging top to bottom, left to right for all the sheets, just by a single formula. So watch this video, link on the right top with the I button and in the description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Most important thing, watch this clip right now. Is still unable to solve your project? Visit MJ Online Home Tutor Academy. MJ Online Home Tutor Academy provides experienced and qualified and professional trainers. Are you looking for someone to fulfill your needs to help in your assignment and project online? Get the best assignment helper and project help service with professional trainers. Best assignment writing website, because thousands of tutors and trainers registered, and they provide all kind of assignment solution, home tutoring service and online tutoring service. One of the best thing, offering free Excel course. You can join now. You can have text tutorial, pictures, video tutorial for basic and advanced Excel training. You can get help in any kind of official project by submitting your request on website. Even all kind of Microsoft project and others. You also get help for the professional projects. For all kind of projects and assignment, visit official website and submit your request, then contact via WhatsApp for live assistance anytime.